Hello and hi friends, my name is Suresh Chauhan and you are watching my channel Taught Tech. So friends, today in this video we're gonna discuss and resolve this issue of Bootres.dll file is corrupt. So we can fix this issue by following few steps itself on command prompt menu. You just have to open the startup menu. On the startup menu on the search program you have to type CMD. On CMD you have to right click on this, then afterward you have to run it as an administrator. Now you have to give access by clicking on yes. Now you have to type over here sfc space /scan. Now you have to press enter. Beginning system scan. This program will take some time. So this is an program which will take some time. You have to wait, and once this is completed 100%, you have to restart your PC. Now you can see verification 0% completed, 1% completed. So you have to wait it, or otherwise you can skip this thing. Now once the verification would complete, you have to restart your PC. So this was the first step. If this scan system doesn't resolve your issue, then you have to skip towards the next function, which was like this. You have to again open the command prompt menu, run it as an administrator, click yes. Afterward you have to type DISM space /online space /cleanup space image space /restore health then you have to press enter. Friends, it was developing an image servicing and management tool version. It was giving over here 6.1.7600. so this version has been implemented on the C drive in the Windows folder. So that's it. Afterward you have to type exit. Now you have to restart your PC and see that this method worked for you or not. Just like this. If you still resist the problem, you can leave your comment on the comment section. I will definitely help you out within 10 to 24 hours. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.